Halwa is one of the most loved sweets. I've done carrot halwa and beetroot halwa, and today I'm going to show you a very special halwa made with bottle gourd. This is Lauki Halwa. So let's get started and check out the recipe. I have about 500 grams of grated bottle gourd, that is grated Lauki. I'm going to first strain it, remove all the excess moisture and water that's present in the vegetable. First I'm going to squeeze out all the excess moisture and water present in the vegetable. So just press it. First I'm going to roast the cashew nuts and the raisins. For this, click on the menu, choose the saute mode. To the electric cooker, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of ghee. Add a few cashew nuts. Once the cashew nuts start turning golden, add a few raisins. Once the raisins start plumping up, remove them from the cooker and keep it aside. To make the halwa, click on the menu and select the Gajar halwa option. To the cooker, add about 3 teaspoons of ghee. Cook the Lauki, that is the grated bottle gourd. Cook the vegetable for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add 1 cup of milk. Now this is boiled and cooled milk. To this I'm going to add 75 grams of KHOA. This is unsweetened KHOA. Adding KHOA will make the halwa nice and rich. Now if you don't want to add KHOA, you can also do it without that. You can see all the excess moisture has evaporated. The vegetable has absorbed all the milk and the KHOA has also melted nicely. So this is a good time to add the sugar. I'm adding 3/4 cup of sugar. Now you can adjust the sweetness according to your taste. After adding the sugar, let it dissolve completely. So you can see the vegetable releases a little more moisture. Let all the excess moisture be evaporated. So you can see all the excess moisture is evaporated. Now I'm going to add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee. Now I'm going to add half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Next, add the roasted cashew nuts and raisins. I'm also adding some melon seeds. Now these are optional. The Lauki halwa looks absolutely delicious. Serve it hot. Wow, the halwa looks absolutely delicious and I can't wait to taste it. Bottle gourd is an excellent body coolant, especially during rising temperature. And since we've added KHOA and milk to the recipe, it's very rich and creamy. So do try this recipe and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 Frame.